My name is Buckley Paul. I'm from Kenya. The name of my project is Impact Africa. What the business does is make reusable sanitary towels. This is done by getting locally available soft cotton material and an absorbent patch. They are then cut into different sizes, stitched together, then sewn. The materials are then treated under heated moisture. After that, they are packaged and distributed to the local communities, especially those in the informal settlements, at half the market price, serving a population of about 7,000 people. They are reusable by washing them and drying them in the sun. What I see Impact Africa being into the future is an organization that serves the bottom of the pyramid, creating social change and making a profit while doing the same. The social impact has been about giving girls their dignity where they don't have to forego their daily activities because of normal biological processes. The retention of girls in school has also increased with the interaction of the sanitary towels that we're making, and we've also been able to create employment opportunities for the people involved in the production and distribution of the sanitary towels. Thank you.